Ryan Cardo de la Paz. Ich komme aus den Philippinen. Ich wohne in Hannover. Ich arbeite seit 6 Monaten bei Michael Wessel. Ich arbeite als System Engineer im Bereich Windows Client Management. I specialize in SCCM patch management, software packaging, and Windows client management. The work culture here in Michael Vessel is focused on work-life balance. In my team, my colleagues are competitive and fun to be with, regardless of the workload. It doesn't feel like work. So work is fun here. In my first 6 months here, I believe the quality of my work has improved so much that in my first 6 months I've maintained 100% SLA, and I've improved and learned new methods in software packaging. Yes, I plan to first improve my Deutsch, so I can work on other customers, so I can fully utilize my skill set in regards to Windows client management. As of now, I'm currently assigned to a customer, international customer. So I work with English as a business language, but once I develop my German language, I will be able to contribute more to the company. So way back last year when I was in the Philippines, and my wife and I are planning to move in Germany. My wife moved first here as an international student, and I was also looking for roles in the Windows client management, and I found Michael Vessel in both in Indeed.de and LinkedIn. And when I saw the job description, it fits perfectly to with my skill set. And then I was interviewed from HR to technical and up to CEO interview. The process went smoothly, and it felt like just a casual conversation. Moving from your home country to Germany will not be easy. You must be mentally and financially prepared for it. But as long as you love what you do, you will be able to